Welcome to my 5-minute yoga a day. Today we're going to be focusing on yoga for tight shoulders. So just breathing nice and deeply, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. And we're going to start to move the neck up and down, nice and mindfully, nice and slowly. And as we inhale, we lift up the chin. So we're opening up the thyroid gland, getting that activated. And as we bring the chin down to the chest, we just hold there for a couple of moments. So we're really stretching out the back of the neck here, but also connecting the mind with the body, taking time just to think about what we're doing. So we start to just move the head again from side to side. Inhaling to center, exhaling. Just releasing tension that we've been carrying around with us, maybe working at a computer or with children. And when you're ready, just start to circle the neck and take it full circle, making sure you keep your head in line with the shoulders. So if you imagine drawing a circle with your nose, nice and slowly. Take a big inhale and then take out the right arm. So extend the right arm forward and then just raise it up and bring the hand to the left ear and just very gently pull the head over with the hand and just create a bit of flexion there. Take out the left arm and then just turn the wrist up and push away. So it's like you're pushing the energy away. And this is a really nice stretch through the shoulders, through the arm, the wrist, the neck. And it's something you can do in your office or at home. So just repeat on the other side. Again, don't take the head too far, just as far as you want to go. And then just turn that wrist up. And breathe. Don't forget to breathe as well. And enjoy. Might feel a bit strange, the sensation running through the arm, but just accept it, bring it in to your awareness. So take the arms up and then just bring them out, extend them out forward, so like you're holding a beach ball. And then inhale and open up the chest and bring the hands to cactus pose. Exhale, rounding the shoulders, drawing in that navel. Inhaling, opening up the chest and the throat. So this one's a good one for the spine, but also the shoulders, because you're really drawing the shoulder blades together, lifting open the heart center. And it's a good way of getting the flow of breath as well. So just take the hands behind the back and lift that sternum, lift the chest, draw in the belly, send that pelvis forward and breathe here. Okay, place both hands on the top of the mat and just lower your belly down nice and gently. So we're lying down now and just take out the right hand and hold it there. So we're doing our half sphinx pose, creating strength in the shoulders, but also stretching out the top of the shoulders, releasing tension. As we push back, we're going to come into our puppy pose. So extend the hands forward, just bring the knees back slightly and lower the forehead to the floor. Melt the heart down. Allow gravity to take its place here. And breathe deeply. Lift the bottom up or the tailbone up into the air. So just check in again. And then let's take the right arm under the left into our threading the needle pose. So this is again really good to stretch the chest. Lowering the right ear to the floor. So your face is towards the left hand. Breathing here. And then just repeat that on the other side. Maybe coming into puppy first, just stretching out. Enjoy. Become mindful of your movements, what you're doing. Notice how it feels. Engage with your body. Take time just to let that tension seep away from the shoulders and the neck. And don't forget to breathe. So lower the chest down gently to the floor. Take the left arm across the body and bring your right knee over the left leg. And then take out the right arm, opening up the chest, breathing and exhaling back down. So just take a moment in this position just to really notice as you take away that right arm, how it feels across the chest, the shoulders. And just to modify it a little bit, if you are finding you really stiff in the shoulders, just don't take it too far over. Just take it a little bit over. So let's repeat this on the other side, taking now the left leg over the right and bringing out that left arm horizontally and then closing it back down to the right hand, opening up the chest. So just go where you feel that you can go, where your shoulders allow you to go, and just hold it there wherever you are. Whether your hand's on the floor or it's not, it's in the air, that's fine. And then just come back up, pushing back into a cobra, just stretching the spine out. And also the chest, lowering down, pushing back into extended child, lowering the head down. Taking a big inhale and exhale as you come back to a seated position. Just choose one which is comfortable for you. Just finish off with a mindful movement, maybe a roll of the shoulders. So if this has been a benefit for you today, please do subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.